Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Uplink here, and I want to show you a beautiful Uxbridge smart home that we've just done. The home was previously there, but we fully renovated the main floor and the second floor. This is a rural property, so we had to use Starlink to provide the internet. There was no cell service either, so that was a big part of the project. I'm just going to take you on a tour and show you some of the things that we did in the home. See behind me, we've got a beautiful Samsung TV that's mounted in the wall. Lots of wiring was actually run into the kitchen while the wall was terminated. The kitchen was fully gutted, and we were able to actually get cabling to this location. We were also able to put a cell booster in the ceiling as well. There was like zero cell signal in this home. Once we put the booster in, we've got great signal for the cell booster and the Wi-Fi throughout the home, which means these TVs are able to work really well for streaming and whatnot. In the kitchen, we've also got this Echo Show device, which pairs up with the gate. And that was another area where the client had an issue because the gate was something that they had to manually open using their home phone from inside the house, but there was actually no cell signal at the gate. People would be there waiting to be let in, and they weren't actually even able to call the homeowner and let them know that they were there. And he had no way of knowing that anybody was there either. So we installed a really cool device down there that allowed them to be able to see who's at the gate and let them in from their cell phone app, which is amazing. Let's go on the tour and we'll show you the different things that we've got throughout the home. So we're now in the living room, and you can see we've got a 65-inch Neo QLED TV here from Samsung. Really amazing TV, beautiful picture on here. And we've also got a Sonos soundbar and the Sonos subwoofer. They had to get Bell satellite TV because there's no options for conventional cable TV out here. Those receivers are actually all in the basement, so they're able to actually watch their satellite TV and stream, but you don't actually need to have the receiver up in this space, which allows them to just have a beautiful look on their fireplace here, because technology should be experienced and not seen. And then we're going to come over here and I'm going to show you something else. So right up on the ceiling here, I have a Wi-Fi access point. These are spread throughout the home. I've got 5 of them on the property, and this ensures they have like super fast Wi-Fi throughout the entire home. And in the office here, we've got a 43-inch frame TV on the wall. Beautiful picture on there, as you can see as well. Super flush against the drywall, so it's a really clean look. And again, cell booster in here so that there's amazing cell signal in the office. If you follow me, we're gonna go downstairs into the basement. In this area here, we just actually did a setup for TV as well. So we've got Ethernet runs here and cable for Bell satellite TV. Again, just showing you where all the magic happens. So we've got the Bell receivers down here. Those don't actually need to be in the TV spaces, gives them a nice clean look. Their whole network is here. We've got the Starlink modem in there. There's the cell booster in there as well. And all that stuff is nice and tucked away, labeled inside the rack unit as well. Pretty sweet. I'm always happy the way the guys do the racks. They look amazing. We're gonna go back upstairs, then I'm gonna take you outside and we're gonna look at the tower, which is where all the connections are actually coming into the home. Rural property, and as you can see with the view of the tower, we have installed a Starlink up there. We've also got a cell booster up there and their Bell satellite TV. A little bit unconventional. It's great because the internet's super fast. The Bell TV is providing them with TV everywhere, and the cell booster is boosting the signal inside for their cell phones, which they have great signal everywhere throughout the home as well, which was something that was really important to the client when we were doing the consulting. The next thing I'm going to show you is the garage, and I'll just show you the signal improvements that we've done in there as well. So one additional piece of security that we have here is the Ring stick-up cam we've got there. It's all wired down in the rack unit, so it just gives them a nice view of their driveway and anybody coming up in between the garages. And that's paired with the gate camera as well in their Ring account, which is really cool. we actually had to trench a line from the house to the garage in order to get the cabling over here for the internet and the cell signal. So we've got a cell booster antenna up here, and then if you look over here, we've got a Wi-Fi repeater as well. Those are all wired back to the rack unit in the basement, so they're wired directly down to the rack, which gives you the fastest and most reliable signal possible. And then we'll go back to the home and we can summarize everything, I guess. Got a 43-inch TV here and a cell booster as well in this space. And then I'll take you over to the master bedroom. So beautiful master bedroom here, and we've got a 50-inch TV here, and we've got a cell booster antenna in here as well. Everything is again wired directly down to the basement, so it's got amazing signal. This was potentially going to be like a theater room later, so we've got connections on the wall for them to set up a TV. Sorry, they have Ethernet cables going down and their Bell satellite cabling going down to the rack unit in the basement as well. So this room could be turned into a wonderful theater area if they want to do that later on. In this other bedroom, we've got another cell booster antenna, and then there's Ethernet cabling here for, you know, future proofing. Now, even though these wires aren't being used, it's still a great thing to do, because if they ever do want to add TVs here later, it's going to allow them to connect directly into the network, which is something that, like, and then especially because it's a rural location, you need all the help you can get when you're connecting to your network. So this is available for them, future proofing for later on if they do want to add TVs or something into this room that needs a good connection to the internet. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video about our rural Uxbridge smart home. We've got some TVs set up here. We've got Wi-Fi distribution, amazing cell booster distribution throughout the home. And we've got some cameras, a really cool gate set up as well that allows the client to open and close their gate directly from their cell phone and see who's actually at the gate with video. If you guys have any comments, questions, or anything, let me know about it in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.